In China, there's a phrase called 民以食为天. It does mean that food is the god of the people. So I think that kind of describes the passion and love that Chinese people have for food. And from what I've seen in China over 15 years, Chinese food is just not only delicious, but also connects all the Chinese people, connects different communities. My name is Corentin. I've been passionate about Chinese food for 15 years. Through Chinese food that I decided to become a fusion food chef. I'm regularly posting some videos on TikTok and different Chinese social media, either taking some Western dish and using Chinese ingredients to do them, or taking some Chinese dish and adding some Western cooking technique, so kind of doing that fusion dishes. 大家好，我是Corentin. Through all the social platforms put together, now we are 2 million followers. I think that shows that people are interested in Western cuisine and in that exchange between Chinese cuisine and Western cuisine. 但是作为一个法国人，我想把我家乡的风味加入到粽子里面。比如今天来给你们做一个红酒炖牛肉粽子。99% of the feedback I get is very positive, and everybody kind of happy and excited to see a Westerner interested in Chinese food and trying to learn. 帅气吗？ If I was doing something not the right way, people were in a very positive way saying, oh, you should do it like this, more giving advice than criticizing. Chinese people are extremely passionate about food. One of the things is, I think with Chinese people, you can just talk about food forever. So it's a really strong subject of conversation. And when I first came to China, there was one thing that was a bit strange, is the way a lot of people greet each other was 吃饭了没有? 吃饭了吗? It's just the meaning of that phrase is, did you eat? Did you have lunch? Did you have dinner? At the beginning it was, why do you ask? How is that of concern to you? But I think in the end it shows a lot the importance of the meal in Chinese culture. So. 看看。挑一下。
你看一下。
就熟一点的。
但这个是不是太瘦了？你要肥一点，这个好啊。你要带点肥的，这里有点肥的。这个就帮我们切一点，切一点的。
My wife's name is Zoe. She was born and raised in Shanghai. I could learn quite a lot with my wife, who's Chinese. More home-style cooking with her. 好，谢谢你啊，再见。
肉都是要放点鹌鹑蛋，就是
鹌鹑蛋，
那
917炖，
放在里面就会很好吃，比肉还好吃。
谢谢你啊，再见。Stewed pork is something very home style in China that everybody eats quite often. 这个到时候也是要倒水啊，就这样。上海的怎么重酱油、重油、糖、
本帮菜。
For Chinese people, I think it's a dish close to their heart. It's a very comforting dish. It's a very interesting dish because using pork belly, you've got a great mix between the meat, the fat, the skin, a lot of different texture. If you compare it, would be kind of a red wine beef stew in France. That's a very classic dish and a dish very close to everybody's heart.
看一下今天做的好吃吗？
I think food is something very important just to connect, to bring people together. The time of the meal period is a great period just to discuss, to exchange, to to share between people and just to connect people in the end.
你说这个菜如果去法国，人家会喜欢吗？
很多法国人会被这个
肥肉吓到。
就是
你们不是也是吃脂肪的吗？
对，吃的时候没有那么明显的这样的这个。If you cook something with love for your family member, then I think that's the best way to express your attachment to them. People are using really food as a vehicle to pass their love and care and even curiosity to other people. With my experience in China, I really can see that people today, they care about interacting with each other and experiencing different food cultures.